welcome back. Today we are going to be doing something called eraser art. Now, I'm guessing you probably haven't heard of that because it kind of isn't a thing yet. But today I'm going to teach you what it is, and it's going to be really fun. And if you didn't notice, I have my guest here, my sister Emmy. Eraser art is where you take your markers, and they have to be erasable, and you can make like a part of a star. So why don't I make a triangle, because that's part of a star. And then you're going to take a piece of tape. You're going to put the tape on the whiteboard, and then once you have the thing on the piece of tape, you're going to put it down on your paper. So the things you are going to need are a piece of paper, tape, a whiteboard, erasable markers, Expo is best, and that's it. So let's get started. Okay, so I am going to be making a panda, and my sister Emmy is going to be making a heart. So you're going to start by taking the color of what you want, and you're going to draw all the parts of what you're making. So for the panda, I have to draw the mouth and the nose, the two eyes, and the ears. So let me do that. Really fun and easy, so anyone can do it. So I'm going to start by taking my piece of tape, and I'm going to put it onto the mouth, push hard, and lift it up. See? Then I'm going to put it on my piece of paper. Then I'm going to take our two eyes, one at a time, push down, put it up. Then the other eye. Now that I finished that, because the ears, they have to go on the sides of something, I am going to take my marker, and I'm going to draw the panda's face. Now that I drew the panda's face, I'm going to take the ears. Now, it's okay if when you lift up your tape from the whiteboard that the whole thing didn't go on. That's the cool part about it, because you can either leave it like that when you're done and it will look really cool, or when you're done you can add touch-ups and make it another way. So I'm adding touch-ups, and now I'm just going to take my tape and put it over so it doesn't come off. And there you go. It's a very simple, easy, and fun project. And then now I have a panda. Now, my sister Emmy is going to make a heart. You want to push down hard before you lift the tape. Otherwise, the whole thing might not come off. But like I said, you actually don't have to if you want it to be like that. Now, this is the finished project of the heart. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we make new ones. Bye! See you next time! Unicraftrs!